Hi everyone, welcome back to my show, my Mind Power show. My name is Dhaval Maru. I'm a Mind Power and a transformation coach. So, as advised in my last video, I had discussed about a technique called EFT technique, and I didn't get time to give you more details about it. So today I want to take this opportunity, and my system is down, maybe for a reason. So that's let me take this opportunity to let you know more details about this technique called EFT, okay, which is called emotional freedom technique or tapping, as simple as that. Okay, so uh, yeah, so there was a doctor named Roger Callahan somewhere around. This is a story of 1981 or somewhere around in 1980s. You can check in YouTube as well. So there was a doctor named Roger Callahan. He was a famous psychiatrist, and he was working with his patient called Mary. Now Mary had a phobia of water. Okay, जब भी पानी देखती थी, पागल हो जाती थी वो. ओके, एंड शी कैनॉट टेक केयर ऑफ दैट, एंड उसकी वजह से उसको बहुत सारा तकलीफ़ होता था लाइफ में. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फोबिया, एंड रॉजर वॉज ट्राइंग टू ट्रीट हर सिंस ऑलमोस्ट 2 years, बट बहुत सारे थेरेपी करते थे लेकिन कुछ नहीं करता था, कुछ नहीं चलता था. एंड द बेस्ट दे कुड दे वर एबल टू गेट टू रेजोल्यूशन इज़ मैरी को स्विमिंग पूल के बाजू में बिठा के, ओके, दूसरी तरफ देखने का. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट रॉजर वॉज एबल टू डू इन ऑर्डर टू मेक मैरी बी नियर वाटर. और बहुत ट्राई किया लेकिन कुछ नहीं हुआ. ओके, इवेंचुअली there was a meeting of Mary with Roger, Dr. Roger Callahan, in a resort. और रिसॉर्ट में ऑब्वियसली स्विमिंग पूल एंड सब चीज़ होती है. तो अंदर जाने के लिए ही मैरी हैड टू पास थ्रू द स्विमिंग पूल. और जैसे पानी दिख गया, एंड मैरी वाज लाइक, मैरी को पेट में कुछ होने लगा. शी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग स्टमक एक, एंड शी वेंट टू मीट डॉक्टर रॉजर कैलाहन, and she happened to tell him that Roger, I'm getting extreme pain in my stomach. And रॉजर ने तभी नया नया एक्यूपंक्चर सीखा था. ओके, एक्यूपंक्चर इज़ बेसिकली piercing the needles in specific parts or of our body to release the disease from our body. Basically our body is made up of 10,000 meridian points. If we pierce the needle as per the acupuncture, okay, that releases the discomfort in our body, right? So Roger ने तभी वो नया नया सीखा था, and Roger knew that this particular point, which is the under the eye point, is related to the stomach. So Roger ने कहा, Mary, why don't you start tapping under this point for couple of minutes? And Roger then started to see what can be done with regards to this. And after some time, Mary started tapping for a couple of minutes over here, and after some time the response that Mary got is basically, Mary gave to Roger was, Roger, it's gone. And Roger is completely shocked, and he's trying to understand what is gone. Maybe she was getting that stomach ache, and that's the thing that's gone. So Mary is like, no, my fear of water is gone. So Roger is like, come on, this cannot be possible. I've been treating you since almost 2 years and nothing is happening. So Mary wanted to prove it, and she ran towards the swimming pool. And Roger डर गया कि कहीं कुछ करना बैठे. So Mary swimming pool में उतरी, और उन्होंने पानी अपने, she splashed the water on her face. And definitely the phobia of water, just because of tapping under the eye, was gone. So Roger was literally shocked, and Roger said, this definitely works. Okay, so Roger started doing more investigation on these things, and started doing some research and all the analysis. So what Roger did is, he started applying this technique of tapping, wherein he knew that if we tap on specific points in our body, okay, which is the meridian point, this releases the energy flow in our body, and the discomforts in our body, and lets the energy from the source go inside our body, and improve the health of a person, and get rid of all the negativity, all the negative emotions, which is like anger, sadness, frustration, the fear. Basically this specific thing in this particular time is really required. Okay, so that's the only reason I'm giving you this information about EFT. So when Roger started applying all this technique on the other patients of his, okay, after a couple of months he realized, or a couple of years he realized that he's out of business, because एक बार ये चीज़ रॉजर ने सिखा दिया, उनको वापस आने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी. So suddenly he realized he is out of business. So after doing couple of years का research and all those things, somewhere around in 1990s, Roger then decided to teach this technique, and he gave this technique name as thought field therapy. So Mr. Gary Craig, one of his students, early students in 1991, who is a engineer, and उसने अपना engineer दिमाग लगाया, उन्होंने ये चीज़ सीखा रॉजर से, and he's like, rather than using a specific point in certain manner for a specific discomfort, why don't I, he started to apply his, the mind of an engineer, and he thought, okay, why don't I, use all the points, all the necessary points, and get rid of the non-necessary points out of this technique. So he came up with that technique, and he made this technique as an advanced technique, and he gave the name of this technique as emotional freedom technique, and he started to teach this technique to everybody for free. Okay, there is no copyright for this particular technique. So this is how the emotional freedom technique was invented. This helps to reduce the level of stress in our body. So the science behind this is basically, there is a part in our brain called amygdala. Okay, now amygdala is such a part that helps, that throws out the cortisol hormones in our body. Okay, that's basically a stress hormone. Okay, now this situation that is going on right now about the corona thing, okay, it's definitely a threatening situation, but I want you to imagine, okay, if you close your eyes and imagine there is a tiger standing in front of you, okay, and your reaction towards the situation would be the same exact thing as if the tiger is standing in front of you, the really in front of you. So amygdala does not understand the real threat and the imagined threat. So basically, though coronavirus is real, but that is not standing in front of you and it's gonna eat you away, right? So we need to find out a way that we need to let amygdala calm down, okay, and ensure that all this cortisol hormones is not released in our body, causing all the anger, causing all the anxiety and fear and frustration inside us. So this technique is a really, really great technique. I can give you more details about it. So there are specific meridian points in our body. Like we don't need to learn or train to understand the 10,000 meridian points in our body. There are only 9 main meridian points that we need to understand. Okay, that's our very simple. So the first point is basically this karate chop point. This is how we do the karate thing. So this is a karate chop point. So you can start thinking about the issue that you're facing, okay, and start tapping over here, okay, and using this 4 fingers, and you can just do tapping, okay, and just think about the issue. This I'll tell you what do I think. Okay, so this is the first point. Okay, second point is the eyebrow point. It's over here. It should be gentle and soft tap. We can use these 2 fingers and do tapping over here. Okay, next point is basically side of the eye point. Do a gentle tapping using these 2 fingers. You'll feel a bony sensation over here. So gentle tapping. Next point is the 4th point over here, under the eye. Do gentle tapping over here. You can do about 5 to 7 taps on each point. Next point is under the nose. Next point is the chin point. The chin is over here, but basically this crease that you see over here, we are going to tap over here. Next is the collarbone point. There is a bony sensation over here, so exactly 1 inch below that we are going to tap, or you can use your whole palm and do tapping over here. Okay, Next point is under the arm, okay, 4 inch below the armpit, okay, and you can tap over there. And the last point is over the head, okay. You can use your all the 5 fingers and do tapping like this, or you can just use one finger and do tapping, okay. So these are the basic 9 points, okay. To start with, what you could do is, first start tapping, thinking about the issue. Now, understand the issue is basically about the coronavirus at this point of situation. So what I am feeling, you do basis what you're feeling, okay. I'll give you an example of what I feel right now, okay. There is a setup statement that you need to use. That the setup statement is such that even though this coronavirus, okay, even though dash, that means basically even though this coronavirus is there and I'm feeling fearful about it, I'm feeling angry about it, I'm feeling sad about it, okay. The next statement after that is I still love and accept and approve of myself, okay. So this is the setup statement that we are going to use, okay. So I'll give you an example. Let's start. Even though the coronavirus is there and I don't know what's going to happen, it's fearful, the situation is getting worse, I still love and accept myself. Even though the coronavirus is getting me angry, it's getting me frustrated, I still love and accept myself. Last time, third time. Even though because of this coronavirus I'm feeling very sad and upset about other people, I still love, accept and approve of myself. So we are going to use this setup statement 3 times, okay. And then this is the only one time that you're going to use, the first time, and following with this, this is what you need to do. And we'll start tapping on the eyebrow point, this coronavirus. Next point, this is very sad, what's going on outside. Next point, I don't know what's going to happen. Next point, this is frustrating as well, being at home for such a long time. Next point, I don't know what's going to happen. I feel really upset about others, the people who are going through these issues. Next point, I'm really getting, sometimes I get angry on this. Next point, I seriously don't know what's going to happen. The lockdown is getting extended always. Next point, I don't know, I just need to control myself. And again, after you're done with this particular round, okay, there is no need to do karate chop again, okay. And again you can start doing this tapping from here. And I basically, मैंने जो बोला, जो मैं फील कर रहा था, मैंने वो आपको बोला, okay. And you could start doing things that you are feeling up, of this coronavirus, okay. Whatever you get inside your mind, okay, what this is gonna do is this will calm down the amygdala, okay. ये जो प्री कॉर्टेक्स होता है, ओके, ये जो आगे का भाग होता है ब्रेन का, ओके, दैट टेक्स ओवर द अमिगडाला. बिकॉज अमिगडाला जो स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स है, कॉर्टिसोल लेवल्स है जो रिलीज़ करता है, दैट is not a good situation for us to think, okay. We think negative, okay, and the more of it is going to come, okay. If we are going to think negative, we are going to attract more negative things, right? So we need to think rationally. So with this, what's going to happen is, first of all, the meridian points, if you're facing any health issues also, you can cure that particular thing with this particular exercise or technique. I do this technique every day, and this really helps me to keep my mind calm, because the moment I get up, okay, I think what's going to happen today, आज मैं क्या सुनने वाला हूँ, and all those thoughts start taking over, okay, and my amygdala starts reacting in such a way, it comes in the fight or flight situation. Though coronavirus is not there in front of me, but this starts taking over me. So best thing is, okay, I do this EFT and that just takes couple of minutes. पूरे दिन में आप कितने भी बार कर सकते हो, there is no limit to it. Okay, if you want more information on that, I would suggest my guru's Facebook page, that is Mr. Sunil Parekh. You can check his videos and he has explained more beautifully and more nicely, and you can visit that as well. And my goal over here is, I'm sure in this situation, this is impacting a lot of people. So this is a very simple and a very subtle way how to ensure that all these negative emotions don't take over us. Okay, so please, you could do this exercise by yourself, and it's very simple. If you want more information, please call me personally. My number is 983-389-5070. Okay, in case if I don't receive your call, please drop me a message. I'll call you as per my availability. So I request you to please do this, and I'm thankful from the bottom of my heart to you to listen to this and be here. So thank you so much, and you take care of yourself. Bye.